A new report indicates that Apple is preparing to launch a new affordable MacBook featuring a colorful aluminum chassis, potentially arriving as soon as next month. On the surface, it sounds like a simple cosmetic shift. In reality, this could signal a calculated expansion of Apple's entry-level strategy. Historically, when Apple introduces color into a core product line, it reflects repositioning, not decoration. The 2021 M1 iMac marked a return to mainstream approachability through vibrant finishes and simplified performance tiers. Years earlier, the iPhone 5C attempted a similar demographic expansion. If this new MacBook follows that pattern, it is designed to widen access to macOS while preserving premium construction. An aluminum chassis at a lower price point is significant. It suggests Apple is not compromising structural integrity to reach affordability. Instead, the company may leverage matured Apple silicon, potentially a refined prior generation chip, to reduce manufacturing costs while maintaining high efficiency, strong battery life, and optimized thermal performance. For entry-level users, this lowers the barrier to professional-grade computing. For advanced users, it signals deeper ecosystem penetration. Strategically, this device could sit beneath the MacBook Air or replace older models entirely, simplifying Apple's lineup while targeting students, first-time buyers, and education markets. That demographic drives long-term ecosystem growth through services, software adoption, and hardware upgrades. The broader implication is competitive pressure. A lower-cost MacBook with Apple Silicon efficiency challenges Windows Ultrabooks and Chromebooks in the mid-range market, not by spec sheet dominance, but through integration, unified memory architecture, neural processing acceleration, and macOS optimization. If this report proves accurate, this is not merely a colorful redesign. It is a recalibration of Apple's gateway product, expanding access, reinforcing ecosystem loyalty, and redefining what entry-level performance looks like in modern computing.